Novi, and today in Novi's homeschool, I'm going to be opening some My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew. It's written backwards on the camera because it's a camera. So this is the purple Cutie Mark Crews. Yeah, he's so cute. Okay, let's get started. Pink purple. Money, meeny, mo. Hashtag about so. Forget what it says. Anyway. Oh, purple done. Okay. It's kind of hard to open them. But you just find... There's this little spot where you have to peel it. You need to peel it at this spot. Hold up. Sorry if I took too long. Okay, I'm just going to peel it right here. Peel it right here. This might take a bit, so hold up. When I open this surrounding, I will come back. Okay, I found the opening. Okay, I'll just go like this. Then you'll find this cute little basket. Then we just open it up. Take this out. Oh, they're like balloon fish inside there. So there's this little house. And these are all the ones you can collect. All 24. 24? Yeah, 24. I got... Oh my god. Oh, I got another pink pie, but she's pretty special. I mean... She's a Pinkie Pie mermaid. And she has really sparkly hair. Oh, it's beautiful. She can go to a balloon. Balloon floaty. Then you can take her out. She goes on this little heart stand. Like my other one goes on a heart stand and she just stands up. Okay, that's like really exciting. I was not expecting that. Wow. Okay. Slide her in there. See, I have two different kind of Pinkie Pies. Hello. Okay, let's open the next purple one. Oh, I got it straight away. Perfection. And you? Feel that? Imagine if I got a double. It would be okay, but I want a new one. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the pattern. You guys can look at it. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it just yet because it might be a double and I don't really want to know what it is. Nope, this isn't a double. This isn't a double at all. Oh, she's beautiful. She's Fluttershy, I'm pretty sure. She also has a heart stand that she can just stand on. Oh, she has a pretty, like, some kind of skirt that she just plops into. Okay, let's have a little look at the background. Well, if I saw this, I still wouldn't have known it was her, but let's just put her in there. We still have 2 to go. Wow. Okay, she's gonna go with the others. Next, we have our first pink one. Oh, this is the second time I've found that peeling thing straight away. Ah. Anyway, anywho again. Okay. Once again, you guys look. Bless you! Bless you again! Okay. Was it double, guys? This was not... Oh. I might have showed you upside down. It's like a cookie place. His little cupcake. Who's this? I wonder who this is. She's really cute. And she has a heart stand as well. She is extremely cute. Okay, let's see who she is. I want to know who she is. Okay, she loves muffins. What else would she grab for lunch? She doesn't have a name. Hold up. Wow, there are actually like so many you can collect. Anyway, sorry. It's wasting my time. She's another little one. Going into here. Yeah. I'm getting the hang of these little pudding things. Oh! I hope I don't really get any doubles. Oh. Oh. Did I get a double? Oh my god, I didn't get a double. I got this little ice cream sandwich. I haven't seen the actual pony yet. I got another Fluttershy, but she's a mermaid Fluttershy. So I've got a Pinkie Pie, a mermaid Pinkie Pie, a Fluttershy, a mermaid Flutterfly, Fluttershy, and someone that I don't really know. That's awesome. She is so cute. Oh, it's beautiful. She's winning. Face it this way. Oh, she's so cute. They're all adorable. Okay. Let's show you all of my little cutie mark crew. And I definitely recommend you getting these because they are so cute and fun to open. And I got these from Kmart. And they're just so much fun. So cute. Even though they're called cutie markers, they're really, really cute. And they feel very good quality. And they're actually only $4 for one packet at the shops. So how awesome is that? Oh, you can probably see all this packaging. Okay, while I've been talking, I've taken every single one of these little cutie markers out of their little homes. I'm kicking you out of your homes. Okay, take the little stands off them. Okay. This and this go together. That's the one that I opened before I even did this video. Like my bow. It's a JoJo bow. I got it yesterday. Okay, I got this little balloon puppy. And Pinkie Pie Mermaid. Pinkie Pie Mermaid is probably my favorite. This little muffin and this little pony, whatever she is, whoever she is. Hello. Oh, I didn't realize how cute she was. There's the word again. Cute. She goes in... Which one? Which one? I just looked at this little thing. And this one goes in here. It's so cute. Cute again. Cute again. It's a cute again. And this one here, another Fluttershy with, it's a mermaid Fluttershy. On her little, she actually, whatever that little thing here is, has little butterflies on it, if you can't see. Anyway, and she goes into this little ice cream cookie. So yeah, thank you guys so much, for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, my big room, and comment down below if you've ever had a Cutie Mark crew or anything you want, really. Well, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing dun 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 grocery gang. Alright, bye guys. Love you, fans.